Why is everyone so terrified of roundabouts? I don't understand. Roundabouts are probably one of, if not the most systematic, logical things that we have on the UK roads. I mean, simple, easy. So long as you've got a plan, there's nothing gonna go wrong. So the way I teach my pupils is really simple, okay? Mirrors, signal, position, speed, and look, okay? That's the MSPSL routine. Everyone knows that, everyone uses it. You've used it turning left, you've used it turning right, you've used it going forward, you know, at crossroads, you've done it everywhere, okay? And that's probably one of the first things that you were taught in your driving lessons. Okay, so how do I teach my pupils? Okay, very simple. You're going to be going first exit left on the roundabout, okay? Check your middle mirror, check your left mirror. Check your middle mirror to see what's behind you, what's around you, okay? To understand how you're braking, how your actions are going to affect those around you, okay? And that's a must. You have to. In order for you to slow down, you've got to check at least minimum your middle mirror. Middle mirror check. Left mirror, you're looking at for cyclists, because remember, you might be doing 20 miles an hour, 15 miles an hour, and cyclists can keep up with you. If you're doing 10, 15, 20 miles an hour, say, you're coming up to an obstacle, you are going to be slowing down further, and a cyclist might not, okay? So they might keep up with you, so you've got to check your left mirror. Simple as that, okay? Middle mirror, left mirror, check, done. After that, you can give a signal. You're only going left. It's the first exit on the roundabout. You can let everybody know well in advance, before you even get to the roundabout, that you're going to be going left, okay? Mirror, signal, done. 2 steps. Now your third step should be position, and then should be mirror, then should be speed, and then look and stuff. For me, the way I teach it, I put them all together. That's 1 step. Okay? Now the way that we do it is, once you've done your mirrors and signal, as you're approaching the roundabout, start looking to the right, okay, early, because you might see if it's safe or not safe quite early on, and you can make a decision earlier. Remember, the earlier the earlier that you make your decision, the easier the action is going to become, okay? So look early, and at the same time, start slowing down. Use your brake. Remember, you've checked your mirrors, you're giving a signal, you know it's safe, and everybody knows you're going to be going left, so everyone knows you're going to slow down, because you're giving that signal. So start using your brake, slow it down. As you're looking, start slowing it down. When you're about 5 car lengths away, 6 car lengths away, maybe even 7 car lengths away, depending on your speed, from the roundabout, put your clutch down as well. You might be in 3rd gear, you might be in 4th gear, you might be doing 20 miles an hour previously, you might have been doing 30 miles an hour previously, you might even be doing 40 miles an hour previously. So you slowed it all the way down as you're approaching that roundabout. 5, 6, 7 car lengths away, put your clutch down as well. Get it in 2nd gear. Why? Because you're looking, number 1, everything's constantly changing, right? The situation on the roundabout's constantly changing. As you're getting closer, it might have been safe, then it's not safe, and then it becomes safe again. So you're unsure whether you're going to be able to go or not. However, you've got a plan. If it's safe, you've got your clutch down, you're in 2nd gear now, you've used your brake, you're nice and slow. As you get to the roundabout, yeah, it's safe, start easing off your clutch, off the brake, and carry on going. Simple as that. However, if it's not safe, if you find that it's not safe, you've got your clutch down already, you're using your brake already, you're in 2nd gear. How hard is it to go from 2nd gear into 1st gear? You've already got your clutch down, mind you. Into 1st gear, come to a complete stop. Really simple, dead easy, yeah? So now, as you're approaching, you're about, I'd say about 10, 12, 15 meters away, about 5, 6, 7 car lengths away, and you've got your clutch down, you're in 2nd gear, and you've got 2 plans of attack, essentially, right? If it's safe, you know what to do. If it's unsafe, you know what to do. How on earth are you going to mess up if you've already got a plan in place before you get to the roundabout? The people who mess up on roundabouts are the ones who don't know what they're doing, meaning they don't have a plan in place, right? They're coming up to the roundabout and they've got the mirrors done, they've done their signals, right? They're starting to slow it down, and the position they're thinking, I'm turning left, I need to be angled towards that side, just like a left turn. I mean, all of those stuff are going to come later on. For now, I'm guessing you're watching this video because of the title. Okay, you're a complete beginner and you're finding it very difficult doing roundabouts. Even if you've done roundabouts before and you're fairly decent at roundabouts, you shouldn't have too much of an issue. Okay, well, to be honest with you, you might have an issue. You know, you might still feel afraid, you still feel terrified, or you don't know what's going on, or you get confused when you get to the roundabout. Okay, have this routine in place before you get to the roundabout. That's gonna make 50% of the work a lot easier. Okay, the controlling of the car makes it very easy. Then after that, it's all about looking and being able to recognize what other road users are doing and whether it's safe for you to go or not. Okay, that's when you stop at the round. If you stop at the roundabout, you're looking at the signals. He's going left, I can go. Okay, there's 2 lanes, there's 3 lanes, right? In the roundabout, what lane have I got to go to? That's gonna come afterwards. Okay, but for now, just focus on the approach. Okay, so come with me. Let's go and do some demonstrations of me going left on a roundabout, maybe straight, maybe right. Okay, whilst using this plan of attack. All right, so we're coming up to our first roundabout. There's a bit of traffic, so I probably won't be able to do it on the go. Okay, so I'm coming closer. I'm checking my mirrors. You can check your mirrors as early as you want, remember, yeah? But just know what's around you, and then pop on a signal when you're maybe about 8 to 10 car lengths away, as you would on your left turn. So my signal's on currently, so I know what's around me. We've stopped. We're in a bit of traffic here, so it'll make it a lot easier. Now up there you can actually see the sign, right, for the roundabout. So I know where I'm going. Yardley Acots Green. It's my first exit, so I've obviously got a signal on, and it's sort of 9 to 10 o'clock. Okay, so I know where it is. So right now I'm looking to my right hand side. I'm in first gear. I'm just using a bit of gas just to keep me going. Seems safe, seems safe, seems safe, seems safe, seems safe, still safe. Into second gear. He's going straight, and there we go. Simple as that. What was all about that? Nothing. Okay, you might argue the case, well, you were sort of in first gear anyway, and so on and so forth. That's fine. We'll go and find a roundabout where it's not so busy, where I'll have to do it from 3rd or 4th gear. Here's your roundabout. Check my mirrors. Give a signal. There's one car there. I'm in 3rd gear. Clutch down. Go into 2nd. Looking. It's safe. It's safe. It's safe. It's safe. It's safe. Ease off my clutch. Look where I'm going and continue moving off. Poor learner must have stalled. How unfortunate. There you go. Wasn't hard, was it? Why? Because I had a plan in place. My clutch was down and my foot was on the brake. I was slowing down. Should it have not been safe for me to go, all I had to do was use the brake a little bit more and just switch from 2nd into 1st gear. That's it. The job's good and finished. Right? Not difficult at all. Okay, I can hear some of you saying, oh well, the left turn's easier than the right turn's harder. Let's see you do this on the right turn. No problem, let's go right on the roundabout. There's a sign up ahead again. We're going to be turning right, 3rd exit towards King's Heath. Okay, so check my mirrors, giving a signal, right, 3rd gear, get closer, off the gas, use a bit of brake, clutch in, 2nd gear, looking, okay, it doesn't seem safe, it does seem safe, it doesn't seem safe, 1st gear. Okay, he's gonna come, is he? Yep, he's gonna come. And after this Peugeot, we can go. Yep, we can go. And now, into the roundabout, 2nd gear, all around, check my mirrors, signal left, and exit the roundabout. Simple as that. Same process again. Exact same process. Okay? Mirror signal. Start looking, slow the car down, get it in a 2nd. Keep your clutch down. You've got 2 plans. Either you're going to stop, dead easy, you get your clutch down anyway. Or you're going to carry on going. You're in 2nd gear. You're nice and slow. All you got to do is come off the clutch. We'll do another roundabout now. How about we'll go, this one there's 4 exits I believe. There's also an exit whereby there's a school. However, there seems to be a bit of traffic, so I'm going to slow it down so I've got a bit of gap ahead of me. So I don't have to stop. I'm in 3rd gear, just about in 3rd gear. 18 miles an hour, 17 miles an hour. And there's your roundabout, yeah? Sign. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to be taking the 3rd exit straight ahead. Okay? So, not the left one, not the school, but straight ahead. There's a roundabout. I can just about make the sort of arrows, and I know where the roundabout is. We're going to go straight. 12 o'clock, so I'm only for a signal here, but I've checked my mirrors. I know exactly how close or how far somebody behind me is. It's quite close, so I'm going nice and slow. Clutch down in 2nd. Looking. Seems safe. It's a 2-lane roundabout, or at least I'm going to treat it like a 2-lane roundabout because it's so wide. Mirrors, signal, and exit towards King's Heath. Simple as that. I'll turn the signal off, and then pick the speed back up again. Dead easy.